Welcome to Weaved In. Today I will show you how to crochet this cute little bow in less than 5 minutes. Before we start, please take a moment to like, share, comment, subscribe and click the notification button so that you get notifications every time I upload a new video. This will also help the channel reach a wider audience. Let us begin. Start with a magic circle. Chain 4. Treble crochet 3. Chain 4. Slip stitch into magic circle. Chain 8. From second chain, slip stitch 7. Slip stitch into magic circle. Chain 8. From second chain, slip stitch 7. Slip stitch into magic circle. Chain 4. Treble crochet 3. Chain 4. Slip stitch into magic circle. Chain 1. Cut the yarn. Pull the tail to close the magic circle. That's your bow finished. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Until next time, happy crocheting.